here in San Diego, where Appliance Alley is making a big delivery. This home is about to receive a top-of-the-line GE Monogram refrigerator. But there's one unique twist. This installation requires a crane. This isn't just any delivery. Our team of Appliance Alley professionals has coordinated every detail to make sure that the installation goes off without a hitch. The GE Monogram fridge is too large to fit through the front door, so we're going to lift it over the house to reach the kitchen via the back patio. At Appliance Alley, we pride ourselves on handling unique challenges just like this. With our in-house professional installers, we manage all kinds of complex installations. Whether it's a crane lift or a custom-fit design, no job is too big for our team. From start to finish, Appliance Alley is your one-stop shop. With over 30 years in the business, we have the knowledge, tools, and experience to get the job done right. And since we handle everything in-house, our customers can trust that we are here to ensure every detail is perfect. Appliance Alley, bringing top-notch appliances and unmatched service to your door, no matter what it takes. When you need the best, you can count on your local expert.